Want your videos to feel smoother and more dynamic? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add transitions and animations to bring your video to life. Before we start, you can visit VideoGen.io to follow along with the steps. If you're watching on social media, you can find the link in the description. So, how do you make your video flow better? It all comes down to transitions and animations. To smooth out scene changes, you can add transitions between sections or assets. In the timeline, look for the small transition control between two sections and click it. Then choose a style like fade, rise, pan, pop, or wipe. Once selected, the transition will be applied automatically, making your scenes flow more smoothly. Next, let's take a look at animating individual assets. You can also add animations to specific elements like images or text. Just click on an asset, then look Animation on the right asset panel. From here, choose an Enter animation for how it appears, or an Exit animation for how it leaves. These animations apply only to the selected asset, giving you more control over your design. And that's it! You've added transitions and animations to make your video smoother and more engaging. Sign up and try VideoGen today.